The tropical rainforest gets about 50 to 260 inches of rain a year, enough to fill 4 million Olympic-sized swimming pools. Although the rainforest biome is only less than 6% of the Earth's surface, it has the greatest amount of biodiversity in the world, ranging from trees to organisms. So much so that the rainforest trees produce about 40% of the world's oxygen, and half of the world's plants and animals reside in the tropical rainforest. Temperatures range from 68 to 93 degrees Fahrenheit, and the humidity levels can range from 77 to 87%. Tropical rainforests grow mainly in 3 regions: Maritime Southeast Asia, which includes islands such as Fiji, Thailand, Malaysia, and Papua New Guinea; the tropical South and Central America, which includes areas such as the Amazon basin, and West and Central Africa. Soil in the tropical rainforest is deep but not fertile. This is because there is a constant uptake of nutrients from such organisms as fungi and plants. Thus, these nutrients are usually bound in vegetation rather than free in the soil. Since the amount of rain exceeds the rate of evapotranspiration, there is usually always an abundance of water existing in the soil. The water is then leached out into streams and valleys, and this process usually takes the nutrients with it. The vegetation in the rainforest has evolved to have a root system in the uppermost soil layer and obtain many of their nutrients from decomposing leaves and other organic litter. Each rainforest has a different variety of biodiversity. For example, the howler monkey and the jaguar is only in the South American rainforests. The gorilla is only in the West African rainforests, and the orangutan is only in the Indonesian and Malaysian rainforests. Let us talk about the orangutan. The orangutan is native to the forests of Borneo and Sumatra. Orangutans' diet consists about 65 to 95% of fruit, yet they can also consume young leaves, shoots, barks, insects, honey, and birds' eggs. Orangutans are one of the more solitary great apes. Most of their bonds occur with their mother and the baby. The orangutan baby stays with its mother until about the age of 2 to 5, and nowhere in the process of raising the child is the father around. On the other hand, the adult males and mature adolescent orangutans tend to live alone. Yet, with illegal poaching, habitat destruction, and illegal pet trade, these species are endangered. At the current rate of tropical rainforest loss, 5 to 10% of the tropical rainforest species will be lost per decade. Much like the orangutan, these species are threatened from factors such as unsustainable agriculture, ranching, mining, deforestation, and illegal poaching. The tropical rainforest has such monumental impact on the Earth. For example, the rainforest acts as the world's thermostat by regulating temperatures and weather patterns. The rainforest is an important biome, and, if not taken care of, it can be detrimental to our society.